Welcome students, myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav. I am your computer teacher and this is my new video, class 3rd computer and chapter 2 and chapter name is computer hardware and today's topic is input devices. In my yesterday video I had already described about what is a computer hardware and types of hardware, and on that video I tell you about hardware is of 4 types. One is input devices, second one is processing devices, third is output devices, and fourth type is storage devices. So today in this video we have detailed description of input devices. Okay, so we start. Input devices that help us to enter data and instructions into the computer are called input devices. What is that? Devices that help us to input instructions, data into the computer are called input devices. I repeat it once again. Devices that help us to enter data and instructions into the computer are called input devices. Okay, main job of the input devices is to take inputs from the user and convert them into a form that a computer can understand. Okay students, the devices from which we can enter information into the computer is known as input devices. The devices which help us to input information, input data, input instructions into the computer are called input devices. Okay, through which we can give commands. In one word, if you say the devices through which we can give commands to the computer are known as input devices. Some common input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, web camera, scanner. Okay, and many more are also there, but that 6 types of input devices are given on your book, page number 13 and 14. Okay, so we see all that one by one. So first, keyboard. We input alphabets, numbers, symbols into the computer with the help of a keyboard. Students, I think this is the photo of a keyboard is there. I think most of you seen already. Keyboard is a very common input devices through which we can type anything. We can type on a computer by the help of the keys given on the keyboard. So keyboard is the main input devices through which we can input alphabets, numbers, symbols into the computer, and through which by using the keyboard also we can give commands to the computer. There is a enter key and shift key also is there, so we can press most of the time enter key. We can also use a keyboard to give commands to the user, and the first keyboard was developed by C.L. Sholes. The first keyboard was developed by Mr. C.L. Sholes, and that keyboard is not for computer, that is for typewriter. Okay, but that was the first keyboard. So keyboard is the input devices through which we can input alphabets, numbers, symbols into the computer. Okay, next is a mouse. Very popular input device is this. The mouse is a pointing device. It is used to give inputs to the computer by pointing, clicking and dragging. Okay, the mouse picture was not clear students, but I will try in the next slide to show you the picture of mouse. So mouse is a main input devices and it is also known as a pointing devices. It is used to give inputs to the computer by pointing, clicking and dragging. What is the meaning of pointing? When we press the left mouse button one time, that is known as a pointing. Okay, only pointing means when we have not pointing is that when you show a mouse arrow over any item is known as a pointing. When we show the mouse arrow on any item displayed on your monitor is known as a pointing. Okay, and clicking, when we press the left mouse button one time with the finger is known as a clicking, and dragging means when we push the left mouse button and move mouse here and there is known as a dragging. Okay students. Now joystick, it is an input device which used for playing computer games. Okay, this is the main input devices playing for a computer game. Okay, from a computer, when you want to play a game, then you uses the joystick. It is a main input device which is used for playing computer games. We can move its sticks to control the on screen game objects. A joystick also has some push buttons which can be pressed to give inputs, and this is the picture of joystick. Okay students, so joystick is the main input devices which is used for playing computer games. And this is a microphone. Next is a microphone. It helps us to input sound into the computer. It is called a mic in short. In short, we have said mic. Okay, the microphone is the main input devices through which we can input sounds into the computer. When we want to record our voice and record any song, then we use the mic. Okay, that is known as a microphone. And the first microphone of the world was invented by Emil Berliner. The first microphone of the world was invented by Emil Berliner. Okay students, and this is the picture of mouse. Sorry, this is the picture of microphone. Okay students, so microphone help us to input sounds into the computer. It is called a mic in short. In short, we say it mic. And this is the web camera. Web camera, in short, we have most of the time we say it webcam. Okay, so it helps us to picture images and videos and sense them to remote computers through the internet. What is the meaning of remote computer? The computer which is far away from us, which is far away from us. So it helps us to capture images and videos and sense them to remote computers through the internet. This device is mainly used in video calling over the internet. Okay, this device is mainly used for video calling over the internet. And this is the picture of webcam. Okay, and next is a scanner. It helps us to capture images from book, from paper, from magazines, anywhere. If any picture we have seen and we want to take that picture into our computer, then we use the scanner. So it helps us to capture images from paper, books or magazines and input them onto the computer. Okay, it is sometimes like a photocopy machine. Okay, and this is the image of a scanner. Okay students, so in this video we have I tell you about a keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, web camera and scanner. Okay, and this is the pointing. Pointing means when we hold a mouse button and move the mouse here and there, and by mouse arrow we have to point any item. We have to put a mouse arrow over any item on that computer screen is known as a pointing. We have to move the mouse and put a mouse arrow over any item displayed on the computer screen is termed as a pointing. Clicking. Hold the mouse and press the left button one time is known as a clicking. Pressing the left mouse button single time is known as a clicking. And dragging. And dragging. Dragging. Dragging means when we hold the mouse button and move the mouse here and there with pressing the left button is known as a dragging. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day and take care of yourself.